Hey, what's up guys? Kat right here. So today what I'm doing is, it's been a little crazy lately with the coronavirus, so I'm gonna be doing a pantry makeover. All this stuff has made me look at my food storage and things we actually eat, things we have in the food storage that we just don't eat. So I'm doing a pantry makeover. So the past couple of days we have gone outside and we've gone to the grocery store just to do some of our standard everyday grocery shopping, or every week I should say. And it has been crazy there. People are walking around with these carts that are as tall as them. All the toilet paper's gone, all the cereal's gone, and man, people are like eyeballing each other, like they're ready to hit somebody if they steal some toilet paper from their cart. So I was kind of lucky because not too long ago we went to Costco and I got a whole bunch of toilet paper, got a whole bunch of antibiotic wipes, or the disinfectant wipes. So that's one thing. Those are like the two things that have really disappeared from the grocery store. But I'm just gonna look over and I'm gonna redo my pantry in Tetra style, get rid of some of the stuff that we just haven't eaten or don't really eat. Some of these cans are probably a little outdated, but we'll just redo this. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna start with our second shelf here. All this pasta, honestly, with our diet, we just really don't eat carbs, and carbs all this we're gonna keep, but we're gonna take it downstairs to our downstairs pantry. We got our plates and our forks and our napkins right there, and then we got some plates and paper towels down here. We're gonna take all this, move it up there. That'll be step number one. Hey, there's the pasta. Okay, so I got this whole shelf cleaned off. Well, stuff pulled out. Now I'm going to take the disinfectant wipes and just clean it up. Okay, so I got all of this wiped down. Now I'm just going to take this shelf, move all of these paper plates, oh, excuse me, and kind of organize it up here. So paper plates are definitely something out of all the stuff we're putting on the shelf that we use the most. So I'm going to make sure to put the paper plates here. We'll put the paper towels over here. Just kind of most used, less used over here. Awesome. So we got all that stuff here. I'm just going to put some napkins at the back. I do have some napkins downstairs. We'll go downstairs, get those, and put them here because I just have a little bit here. Okay, so I am all done with the shelf down here. Now I'm going to do these three shelves. First thing I'm going to do is de-junking. So I'm going to be taking some of these out that we don't use, like these cans of soup, the pancake mix here. I'll definitely be throwing the stuff away that is outdated, but the rest of it I can give away. Now these are some cans that are empty that I'm going to use. I'm going to put some rice in these and some other things so I can use these. So the next step I'm going to do is I have these little food storage containers that used to have, I think, some wheat in them. And now I'm going to take some of this rice from this bag, put it in here so it's labeled. I just made these labels. And these cans are the canned food that we're never going to use. So I have a bag here that I'm going to put these in a bag and then we'll go give them away. Well, when I labeled my little container, I didn't even look how much rice there is, so I'm gonna have to make two containers of this, but I got some extra ones. Okay, now I just need to take some tape and I'll label these ones and then we'll put them in the pantry. Okay, so I got all these shelves taken care of. Now I just have to clean this area down here. Tell you the truth, I don't even know what's down here. A lot of the stuff has been here for years, so this will be a new experience for me. Get to clean this stuff out. It is extremely clean right now. Now let's just refinish stocking it. Here is my pantry all made over. Stuff looks so organized and so easy to get to. The best part of this whole thing is the floor. You can actually see the floor and you can actually step inside of the pantry. Well, I am all done with my project. This has been a good day because this pantry hasn't been cleaned for probably more years than I can count. But I did a good job. It's all cleaned, all the walls are cleaned, all the floors are cleaned. Now that I'm done with my job, I get to go have some fun. Remember, work hard, play hard. See you on the next project.